Hi, may I get your undivided attention? Valentine's Day is coming up. So, yeah, February 14th. February 14th, 2011. A man took my two cousins' lives. Mercedes and Tiffany. It devastated us that was our last time seeing them. It was horrible. I'm still heartbroken from it. I have a Valentine, but I don't like Valentine's Day. It kills me to think about them every day. The man that killed them. I don't know what to say. Is it that deep? Yes. Questions go by my mind, saying, why did you have to? Why did you take them? How couldn't you just paralyze them and send them to the hospital? Beat them up, bruise them. But no, you decided to take their life. Rest in peace, Sadie, till we meet again. I love you. Family loves you. We miss you. And you kiss me just to how much I really love you. So much I wanted to be you. Ow, 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 ow. Well, bye.